Lifestyle change workshop. Simple lifestyle changes you bring in your life is possible to cure, is possible to reverse many diseases, many chronic diseases or common diseases. Sometimes lot of improvements we can give. Sometimes some cases is not possible to cure. We can improve our health conditions. 6 things you have to follow. Simple things. First one, proper thinking, proper balancing your emotions, proper exercise or yoga. So proper relaxation or sleep, proper food management, proper breathing exercises. These 6 things you follow, no, is possible to maintain perfect health. We will train in this workshop and follow-up sessions how to balance your negative emotions, unwanted emotions, how to remove, food, proper diet. What is the proper diet to maintain a good health? Already you have a health issue. How to reversal that health issue by taking the proper food. We will train you. Already I don't have any health issues. Sir, what can I do? You attend to prevention management. You don't want in future diseases or disorders, no? Kindly come and attend. Say thank you to God. So yoga, simple therapeutic healing yoga we will train to you. Very powerful secrets of yoga we will train to you. To strengthen your lungs, we will train breathing exercise. To remove excess carbon dioxide and unwanted toxins, we will train you breathing exercise. To strengthen your body, to strengthen your muscles, we will train simple therapeutic asanas. To maintain stress level, to maintain anxiety level normal, to remove the fear of disease or disorder or any other fears, we will train you relaxation techniques and meditation. To increase the healing power, to increase your strength and stamina, to increase your immunity. Many secrets of yoga we will train to you. So 45 years of experience in practicing yoga, more than 30 years I am teaching yoga, therapeutic yoga particularly, to many students, big industrialists, CEOs of the organization, common peoples, many persons I will trained. You want to cure the disease, you want to heal the disease or disorder, you want to improvement in your health condition, attend this workshop. I am Dr. Venkatesh T from Vishwa Poornima Yoga Center. Abundance of love to you. Thank you so much.